Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a free product. And this is a paid review. Let's get straight to it. It is a barbecue grill mat. We are full-time RVers, and we're sitting here at the KOA, and there's always outdoor grills. And if you're at home, you have a barbecue grill on your deck, more than likely. A grill mat is a good no matter where you're at. It can stop grease spills on your deck. It can stop coals if you have a barbecue grill or a charcoal grill from sparking a grass fire here at a campground. Stains on your deck or coals from getting on your deck and starting a fire. They're just a very good idea to have under any kind of a barbecue grill, or whether it's just a grill at a KOA that they have out there for you, or a grill that you have on your deck or in your grass at home, anywhere. A mat to put around there so you can cover your spills or sparks or fire of any kind is just plain old simple a good idea. So let's take this out of the package. I'm going to put this right beside. We have the KOA always has a grill right beside your thing. I'm going to put this right down on the ground beside it, and I'm going to leave it there for our extent of our stay here. We're staying here for a couple of months. I'm going to leave it there for when we grill our burgers and things of that nature. But I'm going to show you where I put it, and like that. Let's get to it, shall we? All right, so there you go. That is a large grill mat. So I'm going to put it down on the ground. A barbecue grill right here. And this is really an extensive grill mat, really large. You could almost say you could use this as an outdoor rug if you're camping. There you go. That is going to cover any possible sparks coming out of that grill. It's going to cover any spills or liquid spills or grease spills that I have. So go out and get your. If you can picture putting your kettle grill on top of that, going to stop any sparks from getting on top of that. Anything of that nature. Going to stop any sparks from getting on top of that. Anything. Go out and get your grill mat today.